Exercise 7-26 is prepare an incremental analysis for the decision to retain or replace equipment. Twilight Enterprises uses a computer to handle its sales invoices. Lately, business has been so good that it takes an extra 3 hours per night plus every third Saturday to keep up with the volume of sales invoices. Management is considering updating its computer with a faster model that would eliminate all of the overtime processing. Data from the two computers is as follows. The current computer costs $15,000. Its accumulated depreciation is $6,000. Its estimated operating costs are $25,000 per year. Its useful life is 5 years. A new computer would cost $25,000. Its estimated operating costs are $20,000 per year, and it's useful for 5 years. If sold, the current computer would have a salvage value of $6,000. So we could sell the current computer for $6,000. If used for the remainder of the useful life, it would have zero salvage value. The new computer expected to have zero salvage value after 5 years. So either computer used for its full 5 years will not sell it for anything. So should we decide replace this computer or continue using the existing computer? We're going to ignore the time value of money. We're just looking at the costs. So right now, it costs $25,000 a year times 5 years, or $125,000. So that's going to be how much in total for the 5 years it's cost to operate the current computer. So that's our total cost. We would use the computer for the whole 5 years. It'd have no salvage value, and we're not buying a new computer. So right now, we're looking at $125,000 in operating costs to run this current computer we have. We don't consider the purchase price of the current computer because it's a sunk cost. We've already paid it. It doesn't go into our analysis. We're not getting that money back. If we decide to replace the computer, it's only going to be $20,000 a year to operate. So 20,000 times 5 is only 100,000. So it's only 100,000 to operate the new computer. The new computer costs us $25,000. However, if we buy the new computer, I can also sell the old computer for $6,000 right now. So the total cost to replace the computer is $119,000. So our current cost for 5 years is $125,000. If we replace the computer, it would only cost us $119,000, which means our incremental income increases by $6,000. So we should replace the computer because we would save $6,000 if we replace the computer, because our operating costs would go down each year by $5,000. And the difference between the new computer costs less the salvage computer is less than the $25,000 per year of the existing computer.